In this video, you will learn how to use two different AI tools, including using an AI prompt to transform your PayPal transactions into data and files that you can use with any accounting workflow, and we will even upload them into QuickBooks. The first thing we will do is get the PayPal raw data. Then we will use two AI tools to clean it up and make it useful. On the PayPal website, I click on Activity in the header menu, and then on the little download icon. From there, I go to Custom under Statements, so that I can define the date range and type of download that I want. There are several transaction types, and I select Balance Affecting because that option leaves out some unnecessary authorization information from the download. Next, I'll choose my date range. I choose the CSV format and create the report. It can take a few minutes for PayPal to process the download, and you can either wait here for it to finish, or you can wait for email notification that your download is ready. I download the PayPal CSV file. Even though the files that I'm using for this demo is simpler, when you open yours up, you will see that the data is not ready to use because of extra information, extra rows and columns, administrative lines, and vendor descriptions that can occupy multiple columns or rows. If you have lots of transactions, manually cleaning this up could take hours. Now I move to the first AI that we will use today, which is X's Grok 3 Beta, to start getting this PayPal data into usable condition. I first paste in what is called a prompt. This prompt will be available to you at the end of this video. The prompt tells the LLM what I want it to do to the file that I am uploading into X's Grok now, which is the raw CSV file from PayPal that we just looked at. One of the things that this prompt does is tells the AI to create a header, like a credit card statement would have, that contains a title, an account number, a beginning date, an ending date, a beginning balance, and an ending balance. This header information will be used by the second AI to uniquely identify this set of transactions and also to make sure nothing is missing. As the AI processes the file using the prompt, the AI will tell us what it is thinking, and you can learn a lot from this as you adjust and customize the prompt for yourself. You can also try this prompt with your favorite LLM, of course. I have used it with OpenAI's ChatGPT o3 mini-high model, and also with Anthropic's Claude 3.7 Sonnet. As you get more familiar with the strengths and improvements in different LLMs, you can perfect your own process. But this prompt will get you on your way. Now I copy the output by clicking on this copy icon in the top right-hand corner of the output block. In Excel, I click on cell A1 and then go to Paste Special and select Text so that Excel knows to paste things into separate columns. I can see that the AI prompt that we used has created header information at the top of the spreadsheet that makes this raw PayPal data look like a credit card account statement. To make sure that no columns get cut off when I save this, I click on Page Layout and set the page width to 1 page. This is important. Now I save the worksheet as a PDF and make sure to select PDF and Sheet instead of Workbook. The second AI tool that we will use is called Badbank AI. Badbank is going to turn the PayPal credit card PDF that we have created into files that are usable with all accounting systems, with clean vendor perfect and reconciled transactions. I upload the PDF file into Badbank, and when it finishes, I see that it has used the header information that we entered in the output naming conventions. If you have multiple PayPal accounts, you can adjust the header information in the prompt so that the naming conventions in your final usable files from Badbank keep all the different PayPal accounts organized well for you. Now we will export the Badbank results, and when we look at the download folder, I see that Badbank has created a lot of different useful file types and subfolders with the cleaned up PayPal data. To see what's in all of these files, we can open up the top-level CSV file in the output folder. We can see that Badbank has cleaned up the data and it's pre-reconciled, which means that no transactions are missing. There is no more unnecessary information, and there are vendor-perfected names. These clean vendor names will make the rules that you set up inside your accounting system work much better. And if your accounting workflow uses Excel or spreadsheets, you can use the PayPal data much more easily now. If you want to import these PayPal transaction details into QuickBooks, you can utilize the QBO, OFX, or CSV files that are already in the Badbank output subfolders. You and your accountant or CPA may have your own process, but one approach to getting these PayPal detailed transactions into QuickBooks is to use a PayPal clearing account, which is set up as a credit card account. You can bring the PayPal transactions into this type of account and then allocate the expenses to other accounts in your chart of accounts from there. In any case, you now have a way of extracting and uploading cleaned up, consistent, detailed PayPal transactions into your accounting system or workflow. In this tutorial, we used two different AI tools, a prompt with X's Grok and an AI data preconditioner called Badbank to extract data from PayPal. clean it up and produce files for use with Excel, any spreadsheet accounting workflow, or even upload into an accounting system like QuickBooks. The AI prompt that I use today is available for you in the description below. It will get you started as you become more of an AI accounting expert. We hope you enjoyed this video and give it a like. Subscribe to our channel now to stay updated on upcoming AI accounting tutorials that will transform how you handle your finances. And to do what you saw today, use the link in the description below to sign up for free at Badbank AI.